In this video, in just a few minutes, you'll learn how to leverage Daedalus as a Cardano node for production. Let's get started. First thing that we're going to need to do is find the directory where Daedalus is installed. Mine's the default directory, but an easy way to find that is to right-click on the icon, go to Properties, and look at the target directory. We want the Start In top folder. We're going to copy and paste this into a notepad or a document we can use later. Next, now let's start up Daedalus. Depending on the last time you opened it, your computer's performance and internet connection, this can take anywhere from less than a minute to a few minutes or more. Once Daedalus has finished loading and syncing, you can check to make sure your node is running by going to Help, Daedalus Diagnostics. You can see Cardano node status running, synced up. We're good to go. The next path we'll be looking for, we're going to use command line to find. Go down to the search bar, type CMD to bring up command prompt. Open it up. Use the cheat sheet to copy and paste this command. That's going to open the procs document in the background. Next, use this copy and paste this command. This will open that document in Notepad. You can scroll around in here if you want and see what's kind of going on, but it's a lot of craziness and be pretty hard to read like this. So we're going to use the edit, click find. We're going to look for socket-path, exactly like that. There'll be only one you find in this document. As you can see, Cardano node, socket path. This is what we're looking for right here. And this number is represent a port on your computer, and a lot of times will change each time you open and close Daedalus. So you'll need to find this path each time that you open and close Daedalus and want to do this process. Let's copy and paste that path. Now that we have our two environment variables, let's go to the search bar and open that up by typing environment. They'll pop up, edit system environment variables, open it up. Click the button down here, edit to edit them. You'll see that you already have a path variable. So we're going to edit that. Come back to our document and find the path where Daedalus was installed. Copy it. Click new, paste, enter. And it's always a good idea to move these to the top so they are the first thing to execute and don't have anything else that interferes. Next, we're going to go back to our document and copy and paste the socket node path. Click new. This is the value, the path, and the name of the variable is Cardano node socket path. Has to be exactly typed like this. So now we can see we have a variable Cardano node and the value and the path value with our value. Click OK. Now if we go back to command prompt, let's close it down and open it back up to restart it. Now to confirm that what we've just accomplished worked and we are now connected to the Cardano node in command line, we can query the tip. There we go, we're successful. Now that we can see that we're connected to the Cardano node, we could begin to use this node for anything from minting tokens or posting metadata. You can see how in just a few minutes, you can leverage Daedalus for a production node for building and experimenting on the Cardano blockchain.